my BoxyCharm got here, and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. This little card tells me more about the products on the back and the prices. So the theme for this month is Mother Nature. So the first item I pull out is from Trestique, and it's a concealer crayon in the shade Porcelain. The second item I pull out is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's a lip liner in the shade Night Shift. It's a little dark. The next item is from Seraphine Botanicals, and I feel like I've gotten this before. It's a lip scrub, and it smells just like strawberries. So I'm excited about this because this is the item that I picked out. This is from Glam Glow. It's a recovery face mask, and it smells so nice. So here's how it looks on the inside, and it smells really good. I've heard nothing but great reviews about this, so I'm excited to try it out. Here's the last item in the box. It's from Violet Voss. It's an eyeshadow palette. Here are the beautiful colors. I love that it comes with the mirror. It always makes it perfect for travel, and I love the pinks. So here's everything I received in this month's box. Let me know if you guys got similar items. I really did like everything. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.